Today we're at Midas Waste, where they've kindly lent us one of their lorries to do a full clean on it, showing you guys how you can use our different products in order to keep your vehicles looking like new. This is Sonia from Midas Waste. She's just going to walk us around the lorry, show us what they do at Midas, and then we're going to go into the full clean on the lorry.
Thanks, Reece. So yeah, we're a commercial waste company. You'll see some of our really bright, vibrant trucks driving around Kent, collecting all the commercial waste. So it's really important from a brand perspective as well that we keep all of our vehicles shiny and looking great. So the back end here is where, as you can probably imagine, most of the waste and the dirtiest part of the vehicle. This element here, it's really important that that's kept clean as well, because that's our vehicle weighing system. So that weighs all of the bins before they're tipped in, and obviously that gives each of our customers an individual weight for their bins. So we make sure that each customer has a weight for the bins that are tipped.
And how do they tip the bins? Is there like a control panel on the side of it?
But the bin lift is actually operated on the side, which if we need to, one of our drivers up back can come and show us how that's done in a second.
Yeah, Lorry.
Each driver has a handheld that tells him where the customer site is, what they're going to expect, so the number of bins and obviously the waste streams. That handheld can then be taken out, and they can take a picture of the site if there's any access problems or things like that. So the unique things about our offering is that we weigh each of our bins.
Okay.
And it's really important that customers have a weight so they know exactly how much waste they're removing from their business. But also what's really important as well is when we have our recycling trucks, we can monitor recycling rates and KPIs and see how that's aligning to the business's strategy.
I know that was something for us because we previously had obviously more general waste bins, and now we've got more recycling bins because we're producing more, so we get them from you guys.
So from an environmental and sustainability perspective, that's really important, but also from a bottom line. Recycling, obviously increasing recycling rates is a really good thing to do, but from a commercial perspective as well, it's obviously reducing your waste costs. So we invest heavily. It's around £15,000 for a VWS weighing system to put on the back of each dust cart. So Matt's going to demonstrate for us in a minute, but the bin is clipped onto the back. The weight is taken from the bin as soon as the wheels lift up. The waste is tipped down, and then the bin is weighed again. The difference between the two is the amount of waste that's in there. That then feeds through to the handheld, which then feeds through to Pergo, which is the operating system that we use from a desktop perspective. And then we can produce bespoke reporting for each of our customers as well.
So when it comes to cleaning a vehicle like this, you've got to be very careful which products you use on it. This is a very new vehicle, as Sonia was explaining, and it has got a vinyl wrap. So we're just going to walk around now and just point out the key areas and the key points on the vehicle where you need to be careful.
So as you mentioned, we've had all of these wrapped. So it's really key for us that the cameras on the side of the vehicle and on the rear are kept clean. Also from a branding perspective, it's really important due to their bright colour and bright branding. We want to make sure that they're kept clean, and also it ensures then that you are roadworthy. So as part of our CPC licence and things like that, you have to make sure your vehicles can be seen. So more often than not, the cleaner your vehicles are, the less chance you have of obviously being kind of pulled over and having an inspection.
And they're not normally this dirty. We have asked them to leave it a little bit, so they are a little bit dirty when it comes to cleaning them. But from like a product point of view, from like what we offer, obviously Midas buy the products from us, and then we use them for the waste as well. But we're going to be using a TFR special non-caustic, which we've got over there today. And you've got to be especially careful on the vinyl wrap, because you don't want anything that would damage that, as well as like the aluminium parts, because if you use some products like that have caustic in them on newer vehicles, you will tarnish the aluminium and it will leave kind of streaks on it. So you can't see any on this because obviously it's a new vehicle, and also the wheels. So using the right product is really important, but we can help you choose the right product depending on what vehicles you have.
Matt loves keeping this clean, so to not clean that for 2 weeks was quite painful for him, so he's looking forward to getting it cleaned.
So the first product we're going to use is TFR Special Non-Caustic and Wax. This is not a caustic-based product, it's non-caustic, which means it's going to be safe on the aluminium, safe on the vinyl, but it's also going to help lift the dirt. Some people will use a neutral product and find that it's not actually going to rip off the dirt very well. So as you can see, the wheels are absolutely filthy on this dust cart, as well as the body. It's covered in dirt. So we want something that Matt can apply, which is easy enough to clean, is not going to take him 10 hours to clean, but also is safe on the paintwork. So we're just going to start by applying it to the wheels. What I'd normally do is I'd start with with the wheels, and I'd go around and apply the TFR to all of them, clean those, and then start cleaning on the body. With the under chassis as well, we can also get this in whilst we're doing the wheels, and we can spray this product on absolutely everything. What we've done in a little pressure sprayer is dilute this about 50-50. So where these are pretty bad, what we're going to do is use it a little bit stronger. So we're going to let this dwell for about 2 or 3 minutes. And the great thing about using a product like this is, one, it's not going to damage anything. Matt, what happened here on this tank?
I was spraying TFR on the wheels.
Oh, okay.
And then the pressure on the container just burst and started dripping down on it. It was neat TFR as well.
So, and you used a caustic one, didn't you? Yeah. So if you're using a caustic TFR and you've got especially like aluminium panels, like Andre, if you come a bit closer, you can see that it's tarnished the aluminium, which is what a caustic product would do. If you don't have a like really new lorry and it doesn't have aluminium parts and it's just plastic, you can use a caustic TFR, it's perfectly safe, but it will react with aluminium. So you want to use a non-caustic like we're using, which we can just spray on this and we're not going to have a problem at all because there's no caustic in the actual product. So if the vehicle's like this where it's fairly new and you know it's just going to be surface dirt that's stuck on there, you just need something with a little bit of bite to get it off and rinse it off. And as you can see, the dirt is just coming off nice and easy with the pressure washer, so we can spend minimal amount of time cleaning it and getting this vehicle back on the road. So I'm just literally going to go around now. We've done one wheel and I'm just going to apply the TFR just to the rest of the side of this vehicle, and then we're just going to let it dwell for 3 to 5 minutes, and then we're just going to rinse it off again with the pressure washer. And like I said before, this product, which is the non-caustic one, is completely safe on all aluminium, absolutely everything. It's not going to damage any coatings, any waxes, any sealants. It's going to be safe for you to use all over the vehicle. You can use it on cars, tractors, absolutely everything, and it's not going to damage it at all. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to apply the product to the body of the vehicle. Obviously, it's a big dust cart, so we want an easy way to apply it, and so we're going to apply it with a foaming lance. So this product you can apply using a pressure sprayer or a foaming lance. Spray it on the side. Matt's just going to start spraying it, and then we're just going to leave it on for about 3 to 5 minutes and then give it a rinse off. So this product itself isn't designed to be a snow foam. We do a snow foam variant, but you can use them both the same. They're both going to work as well. Obviously the snow foam one is a little bit more satisfying, but both products do exactly the same job when it comes to cleaning power. Next, we're on to the back of the vehicle. So this is the worst part. And Matt, what product do you normally use from us to clean this?
Caustic TFR.
So we're using caustic TFR on the back. One, because it's safe to do so. There's not really many parts that the caustic isn't going to be fine on, and you need something with a bit of extra bite. So we're using TFR Ultra Special, which is our strongest caustic TFR. Matt is literally just going to apply it to the back. That's what you normally do.
Yeah.
How long?
Along the blade and the hopper in the back.
Cool. And how long do you let it dwell for?
Normally about 5 minutes.
Okay, so yeah, we're just going to apply it, leave it for 5 minutes, and then we're just going to rinse it off and see how much dirt it takes off of the back of this vehicle. So now the wash stage is done. What we've done is we've used the TFR Special Non-Caustic, put it on with a pressure sprayer on all the really heavily soiled areas, so everything basically on the bottom half of the vehicle. Then what we did is we went and put it in a snow foam lance, put it onto the rest of the vehicle, gave it a rinse, got 90% of the dirt off, and then gave it a little brush, and it's come up looking pretty much like new. So now what we want to do is when we spray some water on it in a second, you'll see that the water is sheeting. This is a vinyl wrap as well, so we want to make sure that we protect it and we make it easier to clean next time. So what we're going to use is we're going to use this product, which is called Super Cold Wax. What this is going to do is just going to add a layer of protection. It's a spray sealant. You spray it on, you rinse it off. It's that easy. One, it's going to make the water bead off, so it's a lot easier to clean next time. And it's just really easy to apply, and it'll make the pink colour pop. So literally just take that product, put it in a foam lance, spray it on, rinse it off, and you're done. So now we're just going to rinse off. As you can see, it's already started to bead. So before, this was just sheeting the water, and we'll show you on the other side how the water is behaving. But as you can see now, you see that the water just literally sheets right off, and it just means it's got your layer of protection on it. It's going to make it nice and glossy, and yeah, just looks much better. So that is the end of the video. I hope you guys found that informative, and if you have any questions, please let us know below. I think the dust cart does look a lot better, and as we did today, we just did a basic clean. We didn't do a huge deep clean, but we wanted to show you how using certain products can make it easier to clean your commercial vehicles, whether you're cleaning them at the office or if you're cleaning them at home. But a huge thank you to Sonia and the Midas team. If you do want to get in touch with them, Sonia, how do they get in touch with you guys?
Website www.midaswaste.co.uk. for all your commercial waste needs.
Perfect. Yeah, we use them too, so they collect all of our commercial recycling and commercial waste at Genichem. So if you've got a business and you want to get in contact, we'll leave their details in the description below. But thank you for watching this, and if you want to leave a like and a thumbs up, please let us know as well if you want to see any more videos from us. But thank you for watching.
Thanks very much.